Okay, students, so welcome to the class. Everybody can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to do the mathematics, basically do the mathematics of each of the processes. So we learned so many processes: isothermal, then isobaric, isochoric, and adiabatic. Yes or no? Yes. And one more, cyclic process. Yes. So we are going to see the mathematics of each of them. Mathematics of each of the processes, and also we will understand what is cyclic process and how it is different than reversible process. This is our today's motto. With this, the chapter will get over. Okay, so let's start. First, we'll understand what is isothermal process. So Rishabh, what is isothermal process? Rishabh, what is isothermal process?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what is isothermal process?
So that means a process in which system changes, whether
Yeah.
it be pressure or volume.
Delta T is constant. Sorry, delta T is 0 or T is constant. Okay. Delta T is 0 or T is constant. There is no change in temperature. This is the isothermal.
Yes.
So if you take what is this equation? Harsh, chemistry you studied, ideal gas equation.
Ideal gas.
So pressure into volume is equal to number of moles. This is something like gas constant, and is a temperature. So if T is constant, then PV is also constant. Why? Because R is a constant, N is a constant, T is also constant. So PV is constant or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Product of P and V is constant. That means if I say that P is 2, V is 5, if 10 is a constant, then P can be 5, V can be 2 or not. The product is constant, not P, not V. P and V changes, but however, the product remain constant. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Individual values are different, but as a product, they are constant. 2 into 5 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10. But if you see both the examples, both pressure and volume are what? Varies individually. However, the product of both them is constant. Agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then I can say that PI, VI equal to PF, VF. Yes or no? Where PI is 2, VI is 5, PF is 5, VI is 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is for isothermal. Question may come. This is one equation. What type of process it is? Isothermal process. PI, VI equal to PF, VF. Clear? You know very well that W equal to PdV. We studied or not? We studied or not? Whenever the volume changes, we took one piston, we got a piston and we increased, we calculated no W equal to nothing but PdV. How we calculated? W equal to F dot S. What is F? F is nothing but pressure by area. Pressure into pressure, force equal to pressure into area. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So pressure into area, and S was what? Dx. So multiply. What is ADX? ADX is the volume. Yes or no? PdV. So W equal to PdV. We already studied this. So if W equal to PdV, that means what? It is a small work. dW. It's a small work. That means the volume is changing from VI to VF. So if you want to find the total W, what you should do? You should integrate it. From where? VI to VF. So W equal to integration VI to VF PdV. So P is what? What is P? PV equal to nRT. Then what will be P? P will be nRT by V. Understood? Understood? So what will be the integration becomes? Integration will become nRT by V into dV, integration from VI to VF. Till now clear? Till now clear? So next,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
nRT is constant. So nRT came out. You take it outside. So what you're left with VI to VF, dV by V. So Rishabh, what is the integration? We studied this. 1 by x dx. What is the integration of this? Log x. Yes or no? So
Yes,
this will be
sir.
what? nRT log V. VI to VF. Substitute the value. It will be what? nRT log VF minus log VI. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Final equation
Yes,
becomes
sir.
what? Final equation becomes what? Final equation becomes W equal to nRT into log BF minus log VI can be written as log VF by VI. Understood? Understood? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Q
Yes.
equal, and what is this? Q equal to, this is equal to Q. Why it is Q? Why it is Q? Anybody? Write down. During isothermal process, okay, the internal energy, the internal energy of an ideal gas remains constant. Clear? So initially, what did we study? We studied one equation. Q is equal to delta U plus W. First law of thermodynamics. Yes or no? We studied this. So in isothermal process, the U is constant or delta U is 0. If delta U is 0, then what will happen? Q equal to W or not? And W equal to this one. So Q equal to W equal to nRT log of VF by VF. Did you understand?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear? And what will be the graph? The graph will be like this. This will be VI and this will be VF. And this will be a graph. A and B. A is the initial time, initial state. B is the final state. This is the graph. PI, VI, PF, VF. So pressure, volume is increasing, pressure is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So key points to note. First point, isothermal process. Delta T is 0 or T is constant. Clear? PV equal to constant or PI VI equal to PF VF. Delta U equal to 0 or internal U equal to constant or internal energy is constant. And last, what else? W equal to PDV. Finally, W equal to what? W equal to Q equal to nRT log of VF by VF. And the graph is like this. This is VF. This is VI. This is PF. This is PI.
Yes, sir.
And this is A. This is B. If you see, the pressure and volume are what? Inversely proportional. Inverse relationship. Did you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Harsh, clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next? Next, we'll go to isobaric. What is isobaric? Harsh, what is isobaric? Or pressure is constant.
Hello.
Yes or no? Delta P,
Yes, sir. Pressure is constant.
delta P is 0. That means there is no change, or the pressure is constant. So what will be the graph? How will be the graph?
Oh, right. Yes, sir. Pressure is constant.
Pressure is constant, but what about volume? Volume is changing.
Volume is increasing.
Volume is increasing at constant pressure. What about temperature? Temperature will also change. Okay. This is the curve. This is the PV curve. No, PV curve. That's why there is no temperature here. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? So let us do the mathematics of that. So everywhere W equal to PdV. Yes or no? W equal to PdV. So what is dV? dV means the change in the volume. So I can write P into Vf minus Bi. Can I write? Can I write or not? dV.
Yes, sir.
PV equal to nRT. So PdV will be nR delta T. A change in volume will create a change in temperature or not, because P is constant. So I can write this as what? nR delta T or nR Tf minus Ti or not?
Yes, sir.
Final temperature minus
Yes, sir.
initial. Yes. So now there comes a theorem which is not given in the book. I will write the derivation of that. You can note it down for your reference purpose, but in your book it is not there. So we have a derivation. We have internal energy equal delta U equal to N CV delta T. What is CV? CV is specific heat capacity at constant volume. Okay, N is number of moles, delta T is the change in temperature. So delta U is equal to NCV delta T. If NCV delta T is what? Delta U equal to NCV delta T, then what will happen? What is delta T? Delta T is delta U equal to NCV. Delta T is what? TF minus TI. Agree with me? Agree with me? Not specific.
Yes,
Heat
sir.
cap, not heat. It is
Yes,
heat
sir.
cap. Sorry. Yeah, correct only. Specific heat. So delta U is NCV TF minus TI. Again, let us write down what is the equation? First law of thermodynamics. Q equal to delta U plus W. W is what? nR TF minus TI or not? Delta W equal to what? nR TF minus TI. And delta U is this much. So what will be Q? Q will be, what is delta U? CV TF minus TI plus nR TF minus TI. Agree with me? Just I'm adding this one and this one. This one and this one. Agree with me? So what I can take common?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
take N TF minus TI common? Then what I'm left with? I'm left with CV plus what? CV plus and R. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what I'll do? Okay, N TF minus TI came. So there is a formula. CP equal to CV plus R. CP equal to CV plus R. Then CV plus R is what? CP. So your equation becomes N dF minus Ti into Cp. Understood? What is Cp? Cp is specific heat capacity at constant pressure. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this one, how it came? You want to know or you don't want to know? If you don't want to know, I don't want to teach you. You want to know, I will. It'll take 10 minutes. You want me to teach? Are you inquisitive or you not? You are not inquisitive.
Yes, sir, you can.
What about others? So have you written down this derivation? Has everybody written down the derivation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one, I will prove it. Okay. This is not given. I will prove it. Delta U equal to what? N CV dt. How it came? Okay. How it came? So Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Q equal to delta U plus delta W. Then delta Q will be what? Delta Q. Rather, we said dou. We said dou. Dou means partial derivative. Okay. Which is currently, is it there in your chapter? No, partial derivative is not there, right? It is not there. So delta Q equal to du plus del W. Partial fraction, what is a partial derivative? Partial derivative means if there is a function which is a function of two variable f and z, then dou y but dou x means you are trying to differentiate only with one variable. There are two variables. Normally our equations are what? F of x. We write dy by dx. This is the normal derivative. But if you have more than one x and z, then you write as dou y by dou z and dou y by dou x. Just mathematically, okay? So you said del q equal to du by del w, okay? So since u is a function of two variables, temperature and volume, your du is nothing but del u by dt plus into dt plus del u by dv of t comma v into dv. See, this is not there. I'm just writing down. If you want to study, it's okay. Okay. Del w equal to pdv. Del w equal to pdv. So now what we will do? We will your del q equal to du plus. So in this equation, we will substitute this value. So del q equal to this whole value will be substituted here. So du by dt t comma v into dt plus du by dv, okay, t comma v, okay, into dv is del q. Okay. Now plus w is there, del w is there. So we will add. This is del q. Which one? This is only del q. Del w is what? pdv. So we are adding what is pdv. Clear? Now see, dv is common, dv is common. So I am again writing here del du by dt, del u by del t, t comma v dt. I am taking common as dv. If I take common as dv, then what is left with? Du by dv, okay, t comma v plus p. Why? Because dv is common. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V is constant. If V is constant, then what will be dV? dV will be 0. Volume is constant. Then what will be change in volume? Change in volume will be 0 or not? So this whole term becomes what? 0. Yes or no? We are talking about constant volume, no?
Yes, sir.
So in constant volume, what will be V? dV will be 0. So this whole term becomes what? 0. Understood? Understood
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be du by dt? What will be du by dt? So this whole equation becomes what? Let me rewrite. It became what? Del q equal to del q. This dt, del q equal to du by dt into dt. This dt can I take this side? So what will be? Del q by dt equal to du by dt. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is this? Is nothing but what? CV, specific heat capacity at constant volume. Why? Because temperature is changing. So it is constant volume. This equal to what? Dou u by dou t. Understood? So and what will be du? Your du will be CV dt. CV dt. Yes or no? So your
Yes,
u
sir.
equal to NCV dt. For n moles, it will be NCV. That's it. Not required. Just I wrote down if you want to understand. Otherwise, you can ignore. How it came, I just wanted to prove that. That's it. Okay. Isobaric is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So what is isobaric process? Again, checkbox. Note points. Isobaric. Rishabh, one by one. What is isobaric process? Pressure is constant. Delta P is 0.
0.
Yes or no?
0.
So what will be del U? Del Q is what? What is Q? N Cp Tf minus Ti. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What about temperature?
Yes,
Does it
sir.
temperature changes? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What else? So the complete change in the temperature of
Volume increases.
the change in temperature, okay, of the system depends on what? Depends on Cp, only Cp. See, temperature will increase when Q will increase, when heat supplied will increase, then temperature will increase or not? And Q
Yes, sir.
dependent on what? Cp, 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 Cp. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So now we will
Yes,
go
sir.
to the next. Isochoric. What is isochoric? Dhruv, what is isochoric? Not studying, huh? Volume is constant or system does no work on its environment.
It's converted into internal energy, right?
Yes. So the heat supplied, it is getting converted into internal energy. That means Q is equal to what? No work means W will be 0 or PDV will be 0. Yes or no? So Q will be what? Delta U.
Sir.
So the whatever heat you are supplying, what it is doing? It is only changing the internal energy of the system. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Rishabh. So if Q
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to delta U, if Q is equal to delta U, so Q equal to delta U, then what is delta U? Delta U is nothing but N CV delta T. Earlier we already studied this one. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
what will be Q? Q also will be NCV delta T. Yes or no? The Q भी वही होगा ना, because Q is equal to delta U. Delta U agar this hai, then Q also will be same or not? Clear? So what are the points? And how will the graph be? How will the graph be? Rishabh? Pressure, volume. Constant volume, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the PI, this is PF.
Yes.
This is what? VI.
Yes.
No change. VI, VF is same. Volume is constant. What is changing only? Pressure is changing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Clear? Shall we go to the next?
Yes.
Do one thing. Rejoin because this will get over.